Thursday, almost coming to an end. Just got back from the city. We're living down south in Mustang now. We abandoned our house in the city, the old workshop. We are putting the house on the market soon. Went up there today, did some painting. Now came back, picked up Sophia, my daughter, from school, and now I have a test sign running. This is the black sign from yesterday that I stained black with a water-based black stain. So this is currently carving here. I'm in my office and this is running up there in the shop. So I have this nifty little surveillance system that I installed so I can remotely watch. So one moment. Steve Peralta. Okay, I have this calendar here and I'm like 2 days behind. This is a Chuck Norris Facts calendar. On Tuesday, Chuck Norris doesn't read books. He stares them down until he gets the information he needs. Good one, good one. Wednesday, yesterday, Chuck Norris can't see himself in the mirror. There can never be another Chuck Norris. Oh, that's a good one. And today's is still on there. When Chuck Norris wants popcorn, he blows a kiss to Iowa. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, went up to the city, did some painting. Here's some footage from there. Alright, this is it for today. Just finished playing some soccer, rearranging the shop, just cleaning a little bit, putting the machines over to the other side, just getting things a little bit more organized and better laid out. Yeah, spent all weekend painting at the old shop. You saw the footage a minute ago. Yeah, that wore us out, and yeah, now I'm gonna just have some lunch, relax, take Sophia on a trike ride, and tomorrow we'll do it all over again. Like and subscribe, comment below if you have any questions. I sell on Etsy, I have my own website. If you have any questions on e-commerce whatsoever, I'm happy to answer. Link to all my tools are below as well. You guys have a good Sunday. Peace out.